Hello, this is Miss Rachel with the Otago-Prattville Public Library, and today we're doing our back-to-school mask making for Wednesday, September 2nd. And the kit you get for this comes with everything you need in it to do a glittery and doodly mask. But if you want to add more colors or more embellishments, you are absolutely welcome to. You could add little feathers or stickers. You could get out your own pack of colors and add some more colors to it. I'm just going to work with the basic kit today. I'm going to open up my kit, and I've already sanitized my surface. We want to be sure that everything is nice and clean so that we aren't getting germies all over our masks, because we want to be able to wear them for real to school and let them show our library pride or our school pride or whatever it is that you would like to express through your crafting here today. So I want to show my library pride. I am going to put something that says I heart APPL, because that is what we call the library, the Otago-Prattville Public Library. And I'm coloring in my heart just for fun. You might have to do a couple of strokes with the markers because the paper of the mask is a bit layered. The fabric of the mask is a bit layered, and so it soaks up a little bit. And do be sure that you use washable markers, because if you use permanent markers, it might bleed through and get on your skin. So I put I love APPL, and on the bottom I'm gonna put reading rules. Actually, I'm going to put reading rocks. There we go. And then really, it's just all about how you want to use your imagination with whatever embellishments you can find. So I'm going to use my little gemstones to embellish on my letters, and the letters with gaps or holes in them, I'm gonna kind of embellish those holes with some rhinestones. And then when I'm done with that, my mask is ready to rock and roll. And I'm gonna be one of the glitziest looking kids at school or at the library. And if you're homeschooled, you can wear this on an outing to the grocery store. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so I got the bottom part done. As you can see, my fingers are turning a little bit green from the marker, so you might want to let your marker dry before you do your rhinestones. And you can let it dry probably just for about 10 or 15 minutes, just so it doesn't smudge like it is here. But it's not smudging too bad on the actual mask, it's mostly just getting on my fingers. So if you're not scared of a little bit of color on your fingers, you should be okay. Now remember, when you're wearing your mask, it still means you need to wash your hands lots and lots, and it still means you got to be careful and safe and use your common sense to stay healthy and take care of yourself and the people around you. Well, there we go. This is my back to school mask. I hope you guys enjoyed crafting along with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.